If you've got ADHD and you're running your own business, you already know that you're built different, and that's a good thing. Today, I'm going to show you how to harness your unique strengths to not just survive in business, but to thrive. And yes, that means making more money. Welcome to Productive with ADHD, the podcast that empowers high-achieving professionals to harness their ADHD and unlock their full potential. If you're ready to leverage ADHD to your advantage, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where we maximize your strengths and overcome your shadows to turn ADHD into your secret weapon for success. If you're new here, I'm Mina, Raver, entrepreneur, ADHD coach, and today we're going to tackle something that's probably on your mind constantly: how to make more money as a business owner with ADHD. So why does ADHD work so well with entrepreneurship? Well, it's because we're wired to think big, act fast, and adapt on the fly. Those qualities might not fit neatly into a 9-to-5 job, but in the world of entrepreneurship, they are pure gold. The thing about gold, though, is you have to figure out where it is, and you have to get it out of the ground before you can cash in on your fortune. Today, we're gonna break down some of the strategies that my clients and I use that leverage your ADHD strengths. Things like your vision, your intensity, and your ability to thrive in chaos, so you can start making more money in your business more quickly with less stress. Starting with your vision, one of the most powerful traits of ADHD is your ability to see the big picture. While others might get bogged down in the details, you're often thinking 5 steps ahead, seeing opportunities where others see roadblocks. Use this to your advantage by crafting a compelling vision for your business. Your ability to think outside the box and imagine what's possible is a huge asset. It's what helps you identify unique opportunities, develop innovative products and strategies, and create a business that stands out from the crowd. When you lean into your visionary mindset, you're not just running a business, you're leading a movement, and that can be incredibly powerful and incredibly profitable. Next, lean into your intensity. It's that passion. ADHD comes with a lot of energy. Sometimes it can feel overwhelming, but when channeled correctly, that intensity is a powerful tool for driving your business forward. Your passion is infectious. It's what draws people to you, whether they're customers, partners, or even investors. When you're passionate about what you're doing, it shows. And that can be a huge selling point, because people don't just buy products or services, they buy into the energy and excitement that you bring to the table. So don't hold back. Use that passion to fuel your marketing, your sales, and your overall business strategy. The more you believe in what you do, the more others will too. And that translates to more money in the bank to keep it going. Another key strength of ADHD is your ability to thrive in chaos. While others might be paralyzed by uncertainty or overwhelmed by change, you're able to navigate it with ease. In fact, you might even find that you do your best work when things are a little on edge. This ability to adapt quickly is a major advantage in business. Markets change, trends shift, and challenges arise constantly. But because you're comfortable with unpredictability, because you can pivot and capitalize on new opportunities quickly, you are going to thrive. Use this to your advantage by staying flexible in your business strategy. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new approaches, or shift gears when necessary. The more adaptable you are, the better positioned you'll be to seize opportunities as they come up, and that can lead to significant financial gains, especially in these constantly changing times. Now, let's talk about delegation. As a business owner, especially with ADHD, you might feel the urge to do everything yourself, but that's not the best use of your time or energy. To make more money, you need to focus on your strengths and delegate the rest. Now, this isn't necessarily true in the very beginning. Delegating too early will kill your business just as surely as delegating too late. So yes, at first, do everything except for your legal and your books. Leave that to professionals. But learn your business. Build those systems, even if they're crude. Only through action and experimentation can you really identify the areas where you truly excel, whether that's creative brainstorming, sales, or strategic planning. And doubling down on those will propel you forward at lightning speed. For everything else, find reliable people who can take the reins on the systems you've already developed and even make them better. This frees you up to focus on the high-impact activities that only you can do, while ensuring that other important tasks are handled by people who are better suited for them. When you're working in your zone of genius, as educator and psychologist Gay Hendricks calls it, you're more productive, more effective, and ultimately more profitable. Setting big goals is another area where ADHD entrepreneurs can shine. Your natural tendency to think big can help you set ambitious targets for your business. But the key to achieving those goals is breaking them down into manageable steps. You might need help with that. So start with your big, audacious goal, then reverse engineer the steps needed to get there. This not only makes your goals more achievable, but also helps you stay focused and motivated along the way. Remember, it's okay to adjust the plan as you go because flexibility is one of your strengths, but do know where you're going. By setting and pursuing big goals, you're positioning yourself for significant growth. And that translates directly into more revenue. Another powerful way to make more money is by building relationships and networks. ADHD often comes with a strong interpersonal skill set. You're able to connect with people, read the room, and make others feel heard and valued very quickly. Use these skills to build a strong network of connections, whether it's customers, mentors, potential collaborators, because the more people in your corner, the more opportunities you'll have to grow your business. And those connections can often lead to referrals, partnerships, and other revenue generating opportunities. And let's be real, those connections are keystones to your sense of satisfaction with your overall life. Now, remember, business is as much about who you know as what you know, so don't underestimate the power of a strong network and healthy relationships. Let's talk about optimizing your environment for success. ADHD can make it very difficult to stay organized, but having a workplace that supports your productivity can make a huge difference in how well you leverage each day. Whether it's setting up a distraction-free zone, using visual aids to keep track of tasks, or incorporating tools like Better CEO, the mobile productivity app for small business owners with ADHD, that help you manage your time, tasks, and temper. Creating an environment that works for you and can boost your efficiency and ultimately your bottom line. When you're able to work effectively and stay on top of tasks, you're in a better position to take advantage of money-making opportunities as they arise without letting anything else drop. Finally, and this one probably comes very easy to you, never stop learning. One of the best ways to ensure continued growth in your business and in your life is by continuously educating yourself. Whether it's through reading, taking courses, or learning from other successful entrepreneurs, the more you know, the more you can apply to your business. ADHD makes you naturally very curious and open to new experiences. Use that to your advantage because the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to spot trends, adapt to changes, and implement strategies that keep your business thriving. You'll also be more satisfied. That was probably a lot, so let's bring it all together. Making more money as a business owner with ADHD is not about fighting against your natural tendencies. It's not about doing what works best for everyone else. It's about leaning into your natural strengths. Leverage your vision, your passion, and adaptability. Delegate the tasks that drain you and focus on your strengths. Yes, set big goals and build the relationships you need for the feedback you need to optimize those goals and each task in between. Remember to optimize your space for productivity and never stop learning. When you embrace ADHD as a unique set of strengths and aptitudes, there's no limit to what you can achieve. You're not just capable of making more money, you're capable of creating a thriving, impactful business that reflects your true potential. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please like it by clicking that thumbs up button below so others just like you and I can find this content. For more, please remember to subscribe and click that little bell to get notifications. I dive deeper on these topics every single week, and I don't want you to miss a thing. Helping people with ADHD thrive is my life's work. So check out the other tools that I've linked in the description below. Tools like Better CEO, the mobile productivity co-pilot for small business owners with ADHD. I'm Mina Raver. I'm cheering you on every step of the way. Remember to like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you again next week. Thanks for joining us on Productive with ADHD. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss another episode. And please click that thumbs up button below. We'd really appreciate it. And if you're ready to take your productivity to the next level with tools designed just for you, a high-achieving professional with ADHD, then download the Better CEO app available on both Apple and Android. You'll find those links at betterceo.app and in the show notes. See you next time with more insights and strategies to help you make ADHD your unfair advantage.